A thrilling day at the Open as Tiger Woods roars back into contention with a 5-under par 66. Woods is attempting to win his first major in more than a decade. This is his best weekend round at a major since 2010. The golfer birdied 6 of his first 14 holes. Even fellow golfers expressed their excitement. When Tiger shared the lead at one point in the round, Ian Poulter tweeting, "I can't say I've ever been so excited for Tiger Woods before. If he can pull this off, it would be stuff dreams are made of. #respect, #GOAT. The final round, which takes place Sunday, certainly got a lot more interesting.